Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning present its insightful course, Preaching Islam. Our objective is to empower participants with the essential skills and wisdom needed to effectively convey the message of Islam to diverse audiences. In the spirit of preaching, this course teaches the profound responsibility of sharing Islamic teachings with others. Learn how to engage with diverse minds by exploring topics like the intellectual ability of the people whom we preach, and psychological considerations for preaching. Learn the art of communication as we examine the style of preaching to ensure your messages resonate profoundly. From understanding the style of reasoning to exploring diverse methods of preaching, this course provides a well-rounded skill set for effective preaching of Islam. Enroll in this course today, and improve your ability to share the wisdom of Islam with intellect, empathy, and respectful dialogue. Uncover the nuances of effective communication, and become a more impactful ambassador of Islamic teachings.